Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay. Today we're going to be doing our top 5 do's and don'ts for wedding first dance. It could also be for mother-son dance and father-daughter dance. Let's get started.
Okay, so the number 1 is we don't look at the floor.
Do look at each other whenever possible and look up when you're not looking at each other. Number 2, don't followers put your left hand over his neck or over the shoulder when you get into dance position.
Do, however, put it on the front of the shoulder so we can have you better leaders and followers.
And if that doesn't quite make sense to you, you can check out our How to Get in Dance Position video and also our leading and following tips. We'll leave that in the description below.
Number 3 is don't stress.
And do enjoy the moment and remember why you're doing this in the first place. This seems obvious, but when people learn a first dance, they tend to stress out and worry so much about the steps instead of remembering that it's your first dance with the person that you love. You want to enjoy the moment and remember that moment forever instead of just stressing about it and it looking really stiff.
Number 4, don't visibly count.
Do smile and think of your pictures, your videos. You don't want to be in the picture mid-counting. 2, basically, don't count out loud if you learn steps or you're trying to listen to the music. Remember, the pictures will show everything later and you want to remember them as happy, beautiful moments.
Number 5, don't stop moving.
Do keep moving. Basically, you never want to stop moving because that's when people get uncomfortable. That's when it shows you might have forgot what's going on. We have a little phrase that we like to say, when in doubt, sway it out. And that goes with all of our wedding dances.
Thank you for watching our top 5 do's and don'ts for first dance wedding couple.
And be sure to check out the rest of our wedding content that we have up on our channel. We're going to continuously produce more content for you, so always come back and check out what we have new. And you can learn dances, we have tips, what song you want to pick, all that good stuff. And we'll see you very, very soon.